So this is an addendum video to the rig video that I put out. It's in response to some questions from some of my patrons and some thoughts that I had, things I forgot to say. I'm going to try to keep it short, hopefully just a couple of minutes. First thing I want to show you is a line that I forgot to mention. It's this one here. This one. It's tied around the mast under the sail bundle, and it goes all the way to the top of the mast where it's tied off. It's fixed, it's not running at all, this line, it's just a fixed line, and that stops the sail. It's called the mast lift, first of all, and it bundles the sail when it's bundled at the mast, so it acts as one of the lazy jack lines when the sail is down. When the sail's up, it stops the sail blowing too far away from the mast, so it's sort of an additional effort to the parallels, stops the sail coming too far away from the mast. It's the parallels that are really transferring the load, but this is just sort of helping along. Now I've got two assistants here sat in the cockpit, and we're going to try to show you the interaction between three lines. So let's get some foresail up. So we're going to pull up some foresail. Elizabeth's just freeing off the sheet and the yard haul, and this is the halyard, of course. So here we go, foresail going up. Just lift that bottom batten with it. Lovely, thank you. That's good. So here's the sail up, and what we want to do first of all is tighten in on the red line. You remember that squeezes the top three battens together, and if we've got all the other lines loose apart from the halyard, of course. So Hazel, if you can pull in on the red one as much as you can, as tight as you can, and you'll see. Lovely, that is excellent, Hazel, thank you. And wander forwards, and you'll see that what we've done is we've reduced the balance to almost nothing. Perhaps a little bit more, Hazel, if it'll go on the red. Yeah, so here's the balance, almost nothing. Look, not at the top of the sail, but at the bottom of the sail. So that allows us to minimize the balance. Now if I turn back around to Hazel, you'll have to ease that red one a little bit. Okay. Good, like that, yeah. And now, remember I've got this blue one here that is a fixed line, that blue and white fixed line, that is the maximum balance we can get. If we now get Hazel to pull in on the green, we should see that pull this balance forwards, and you'll see now we've got the balance out to maximum. If you cleated that off, Haze, and tightening on the red now, much as you can. Look at that peaking up, look at that peak up. Lovely, thank you, that's good. So it's this interaction between the throat hole, the red one, the running parallel on the bottom, and the fixed balance line there, that allows us to adjust the balance. And we can set it to anything we like. So for example, Hazel, if you were to loosen the green and pull in on the red, lovely, good, click that off there. Now pull in on the red. Perfect. So now we've got our fixed stopper line loose, and we've adjusted the balance of the sail. So it's that interaction between the three. The red that pulls the bottom batten into the mast, the green that pulls the bottom batten away from the mast or forward of the mast, and this one just acting as a stopper that allows the adjustment of the balance and the peaking of the yard. And there we go. I hope that is now a pretty full explanation. Of course there's more about sail handling and whatever, but the way the sails are rigged, I think that's now a thorough explanation. I hope that does it for you.